This is a step-by-step tutorial on how to search for long-term rentals using Privy. Privy now allows you to use rental analytics to find lucrative long-term rental investment opportunities nationwide. To begin your search, type the location you're looking to search for in the top left side of the screen in the search bar. So if I were looking for properties in Cleveland, Ohio, I'd type that in, and then I'd select the filter button to the right of the search bar. In the property search filter area, you'll see that you can enter in the criteria you're looking for, such as property type and status. And we'll leave that at single family and active for now. You'll then select the long-term rentals option under the MLS deals section. And you'll be able to further search measuring cap rates, annualized return, cash on cash, and gross yield. And these are all adjustable based off of the percentages you prefer here. You can then apply other filters or quick filters and tags from this menu below, and then run your search. Based off of the search, you'll see the results listed out on the map here. And if I was interested in looking at a specific property, I'd choose one. We then show you the estimated monthly rental ranges based off of highs and lows of the rents in that area, which you'll also be able to see below. Because with Privy, you'll also be able to evaluate the rental potential by comparing directly with existing rental properties nearby. Here you'll see the comparable section, which is located at the bottom of each listing page, and you'll notice that each rental comp has the associated monthly rent, again based off of the highs and the lows in the area, which is the range you see here. And then you can also click on each line item to open up that comparable property and see what kind of condition the comparables are in and what is really driving the rent that's coming in from that data set. With our long-term rental valuations feature, you can accurately assess the potential rental income of properties, ensuring informed decision-making. Be sure to watch our tutorial video on how to save searches so you can get real-time email alerts and never miss an important deal.